Hi guys, yeah, as you might know, I've buffed my windshield on my Suzuki DL650. Let me just take this apart. And in this video, I'm going to show you what happened. And I also have this little road mic. I have shown a video about it when I unboxed it, and I also got me the Boya. The Boya is a very inexpensive little mic. Let me get this out of the box. It's got very long cabling, and I thought maybe I can use this video to just so we can compare the sound. Maybe while I'm making the video I will switch between the mics. So yeah, let's see what's inside. There's already unboxings and stuff about this mic, but I'm just going to compare it to this little Rode. The Rode in South Africa goes for around 1,000 Rand, and this one goes, well, I got it under 300 Rand. So this can also connect into your cell phone. It's got a, this, what you call it, TSSR kind of connector, and it's got a little battery thing here. If you screw it open, you can put a battery in there, and then you can connect it with obviously a special adapter, something that makes it TRS to your video camera. So this can be connected to your video camera. I can maybe take off this little sponge. You can see it's got a nice clip. It's good quality. I've used the mic before, and it does sound good. If there's a bit of barking and squeaking noise, oh shit, almost stepped on her. It'll be this little one. Nuka, hello. She's got a little chew toy. Hey Nuka. And yeah, there it is. So this makes a little squeaky sound. If you hear that, just please ignore it. It's my new puppy. Yep, she's got it. It's gonna take it now. Start chewing it again, and it's gonna make a squeaky noise. I can't stop her. I don't want to, because she's little and she's enjoying life. So let's see what we can do with this. I'm quickly gonna, one more thing about this one. This one's got about 1 meter of cable, just enough for you to put your phone maybe in your pocket. This one has got like 3 meters at least. It's got a lot of cable. So it's got a lot of cable, a lot of cable. You can put this thing on the camera on the other side of the table. I'll show you guys now why I'm going to use this maybe for unboxings in the future. So getting that out of the way, you've listened to the device's mic now, my phone's mic. I am going to clip both of them onto my collar, and let's get this one on. This is the Rode, and this one is the Boya. Let's get that in there. So okay, I've got both of them clipped to my shirt, and let's plug in the Rode first. Okay, so now I am speaking through the Rode. Hopefully you can hear a difference. This screen, it's been damaged, as you can see. I buffed the heck out of it, got all the scratches out. Then we went on one outing, just one trip. Very nice. Had great pizza and stuff in a town nearby us, and when we came back we hit a little well, not little, but a guinea fowl. Yeah, it's a serious little bird if you hit it with a motorcycle. Okay, let's plug in the Boya and then we can hear the difference. There we go. This is back on the Samsung's mic. Okay, hopefully the Boya is now in and you can hear me now through the Boya. Then you can, yeah, okay, let's talk about this again. I've ordered a new windshield for my bike. It's gonna take a bit of time to get to South Africa, but yeah, maybe next month I'll have it. Meanwhile, I'll just maybe drill a few holes through here just to keep it sturdy, because it was still attached to the bike after the accident. The guinea fowl went through here between the mirror and it struck me on the shoulder. There's no damage to me. My wife was on the back, so I'm glad that it struck me and not her. And we are both okay, and the windshield protected us. Did its job. It was cracked in the buffing video. You can, I think I said it, but it was cracked on these little studs already. So yeah, let's switch back to the road for a while. Whoops. Back to the road. So yeah, yeah, as I said, no damage to be done. Just the windshield. The bike's fine. Everything's fine. I was full of guinea fowl, whatever they eat, guinea fowl berries. So let's drill a few holes. Okay, we're gonna drill a few holes for cable ties. I think I'm just gonna stitch it a bit. Unfortunately, I don't have this piece. You are still on the Rode mic, by the way. The thing with the Rode mic is it's got a, as I said, a very short wire. And yeah, the thing of the short wire is it's a bit in the way when it comes to these kind of videos. So I would like to drill a hole and the wire is dangling here, and it actually had a tag telling me how dangerous it is. I could hang myself with this. Cool. Get killed, you know. Killed by mic wire. Okay, so that was 2 holes drilled with the DeWalt, but with the Rode microphone. Let's go to the other one. Back on the Samsung. Switch the Boya. Okay, the Boya is now plugged in, and let me just get rid of the Rode. Now, I don't have any cabling in my way. The Rode's cabling, the Boya's cabling is tugged far, or I can tug it away in my shirt. It can be out of the way. So maybe let's drill 2 holes with the Boya attached to my voice. Okay, so that was 2 holes drilled with the DeWalt and the Boya mic. Let's get this ties through here. Hopefully this video can give you a good idea of all the sounds, noises, and clearness of both these mics. Okay, that's gonna be good, man. That's gonna be excellent. Let's get back to the short wire of the Rode. That's my main complaint. The Rode's sound is actually excellent. Let's get back to the Rode. And now The road's plugged back in. I've got this dangerous wire dangling again. That's put in a tie so you can hear how that sounds with the help of the road. So I think it's the Lav something plus. But yeah, I've got a video of that. Actually can't remember. I don't think I did a video of the Boya. In any case, yeah, as I said, there is videos on that. So yeah, that's stitched much sturdier. I think that'll definitely last until the other screen comes. Let's drill a few more holes here. Maybe on this one. Okay, and there. These OEM screens, or windshields, or whatever you want to call it, they are kind of tough, eh? Took a beating from that bird. That dinosaur bird. I don't know how not even a car's windshield can stand up to that thing. They're pretty nasty. Oh boy, the dogs. Oh, now you can hear the dogs bark. On the road mic. Background noise. And let's switch quickly to the Boya. Wild dogs are barking. Okay, the Boya is back in. And obviously now the dogs will stop barking. So, let's wait for them to complete their task. Oh, there's another one. Another barking dog. I'm not measuring these out. Maybe I'll put 2 year. Now that one's fine. Oh, I think I'll put a few year. These are just random cable ties. Just for a bit of support before the whole thing flies off into my face. Don't you just love the dogs? I love the dogs. It's the neighbor's dog. That one. Great for video making. Gives you the real live effect. So yeah, this is my temporary fix. I guess this will also on the road. I'm not on the road mic. I'm on the Boya mic. But on the road, this will help you if you have a few cable ties. You can stitch your windshield like that, eh? I'm sure that'll help. It's obviously not easy to get one when you're in Africa or somewhere up in the bundu. Let's switch back to the road mic. Okay, there we are on the road again. Oh, I'm gonna drill, I think these I'm gonna stitch evenly apart. Let's do it there. Oh, I think feels safer this way around. Yes, but it's already cracked there. Let's see what happens. Okay, it went through and through. There's my dog. Seems like my dogs only bark when I've got the road in. That's another nice feature of the Boya. My dogs don't bark. But I guess it'll change. Yeah, man. Hey, Nuka. Hey, Nuka. Don't be so aggressive. Where's your toy? Huh? Nuka, where's your beer? Waar is hy? So kom. Come. Oh, you see the mic, the wire. The wire is too short. The wire is too short of this road. Let's quickly get back on the Boya. Unplug. Let's see, where's Nuka's toy? Nuka! Yay! Doggy. Did I drill holes? Already. Okay, I think I better be get cutting here. Get ready to cut it. So if I can do this, I'm sure it'll hold. I'm gonna put one on the end there to make sure. Let's take off this. Yeah, Nuka. Let's catch her in the moment. Nuka! Whoa, now she drops it. Yeah. Aye. Whatever. Dogs and kids. Kids and dogs. Dogs and kids. They will never do what you want them to do. Let me get a side cutter. Yeah, so with this 3-meter wire, I can come over to my other desk, get a side cutter, get back to the table where I'm working. Let's cut a few ties with the Boya and the side cutter. And that's cutting ties with the Boya. Okay, now we're going to cut ties with the road. Ah, no. Yeah, just joking. Oh, the road is such a sturdy little mic. It's just the wiring. Good. I know I can use extension. You do get extension wires. Can get me some of those. Let's cut ties with the road. Can hear that. Oh, I forgot to turn on the lights. I might have good sound, but I forgot to turn on the lights. Poor guys. You guys have to try and see what I'm doing without lights. Whoa! Almost took my camera over, tilted it over with the road. I'm already used to this mic on the... Boom. Booyah's back. Already used to this mic on the Boya, the length of the cable. Oh, it's gonna be difficult not to use this all the time. What can we do? I need light. I said light. Let's switch on that. That light's a bit noisy, but let's switch that on. So we've got a bit more light on the project. Oh, okay, that's bleeding on the screen. Okay, in any case, let's check out this thing. So what I've done is drilled a few holes with a drill and put in cable ties. And this will hopefully last. I'm just gonna maybe add a few more over here on the stress points, maybe there and there, so it doesn't crack any further, hopefully. But that is my idea for surviving until my new screen comes. Hopefully you had or know now how the difference is between the Boya and the Rode mic. Thinking to stick with the Boya. I will listen to this video myself and decide according to recording quality and comfort and what else, I don't know. At least the comfort it's nice. When I'm on the motorcycle, this will also be nice to put this in my helmet and be able to use any amount of wiring, I don't need to use the whole 3 meters. I can just use whatever I want and put the rest into this nice little, I guess that was a good idea of them. They give you this Velcro thing attached to the cable. This is a lot of cable, but it's quite manageable. So yeah, then you can just bundle up these like this, put it in your pocket, and then I've still got a bunch of cable left to be able to make my videos and record my stuff. So thanks for watching. Should I go back to the road one more time? Let's do that before I say goodbye. So this is goodbye on the Boya, and let's say goodbye on the road mic. So have a nice day, and yeah, enjoy life. Get out there, get rid of the guinea fowls, take your nice guns and go and shoot the bastards. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.